Welcome to Round Product Picks, your go-to spot for the latest gear reviews, sports tech, and everything pickleball. In today's video, we're serving up the top 5 best pickleball paddles in 2025, from lightweight speedsters to power-packed beasts. These paddles are dominating courts this year. Whether you're a beginner just getting into the game or a seasoned player looking for that competitive edge, we've got the perfect paddle to elevate your play. Direct Hit will break down each paddle's grip, weight, control, and power, helping you find the right fit for your style and skill level. So smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the best pickleball paddles of the year. Number 5, Pickleball Apes Pulse S. The Pickleball Apes Pulse S sits right in the sweet spot between power and finesse. It features a hybrid shape with a 16mm core, dual-edge foam, and a carbon fiber ring grid, engineered to minimize vibration while expanding the sweet spot for higher forgiveness and control. Players report it offers a dense sensation with a little crisp feel, making delicate dinks feel distinct from aggressive drives. From the first serve, the Pulse S delivers a responsive, balanced experience and, thanks to its precise aramid fiber surface, excels in spin-rich third shots and resets designed for consistency on the court. The Pulse S employs a carbon fiber ring grid that maintains structural integrity, no heavy break-in needed. Nonetheless, users do notice a slight opening up effect, improved pop and a softer tone over time. MatsPickleball.com. According to early tester feedback, it maintains power and feel across gameplay without losing its forgiving edge. Its high-end build, USAP certification, and tournament readiness make it a reliable go-to paddle for intermediate to advanced players. Number 4, Vatic Pro Prism Flash. The Vatic Pro Prism Flash delivers remarkable control and spin performance, standing toe-to-toe with elite paddles like the Jula Hyperion, yet at less than half the price, just $100 versus $200 plus counterparts. With a 7.9 to 8.2 ounce weight range and a balanced swing weight, 114, it feels both nimble and stable on the court. What really sets it apart is the unibody foam edge design, which reinforces durability and increases sweet spot forgiveness, making resets and dink shots feel smooth and reliable. Plus, the grip's shock-absorbing inserts are a blessing for players dealing with tennis elbow, offering comfort during intense play. On court feedback highlights the Prism Flash as one of the best control paddles available, with crisp dinks, consistent spin, and soft resets that don't require excessive power. While it may lack the raw power of heavier paddles, it offers enough punch for strong ground strokes, so long as your mechanics can generate it. Its raw Toray T700 carbon face, combined with polyurethane inserts and a foam-injected edge, delivers a satisfying feel that absorbs vibration without becoming dead or sluggish. At this price point, durability remains high. The unibody build and fine-textured surface resist wear and tear, making the Prism Flash both a smart and enduring investment for intermediate to advanced players. Number 3, Jula Perseus Pro IV. The Jula Perseus Pro 4 is a top-tier paddle designed for aggressive players who demand serious pop and precision. Available in both 14mm and 16mm versions, it brings the iconic propulsion core tech forward, legal under USAP rules, for explosive serves and third-shot drives. The 14mm model delivers sharp, quick response and wonderful pop at the kitchen line, allowing for fast volleys and aggressive plays. Meanwhile, the 16mm variant provides a plush feel with superior power and spin, thanks to increased dwell time that feeds energy back into drives and deep baseline shots. Both thicknesses benefit from added foam near the throat, boosting forgiveness and stabilizing off-center hits, forging one of the most controllable power paddles on the market in live play. The Perseus Pro 4 excels in balance. It maintains formidable pop and power, yet remains more maneuverable in hand-to-hand exchanges than its predecessors like the 3S or Mod. The elongated design, paired with a 5.5 handle, supports both one-handed and two-handed strokes, ideal for aggressive strategies. Reviewers agree, it's a significant upgrade over past models, offering a stable yet explosive feel that suits intermediate to advanced players aiming to dominate with drives, spin, and power. Just note, it comes with a premium price, $279.95, and a slightly steeper swing weight, but for those ready to elevate their game, it's a standout choice. Number 2, 11624 Pegasus Jelly Bean. The 11624 Pegasus Jelly Bean brings exceptional control and spin to the court, all for under $100. Its unique 11624 CFC triple layer face, carbon, fiberglass, carbon, delivers soft touch on dinks and crisp pop on drives, providing a versatile feel tailored for strategic players. Weighing a balanced 8.0 to 8.3 ounces with a swing weight of about 109 to 111, it's agile at the net yet stable on off-center hits, thanks to foam-reinforced walls. The slightly head-heavy feel boosts topspin and volley power, while the expansive wide Pegasus face shape maximizes forgiveness. With a grip that brilliantly supports two-handed backhands, real-world testing consistently praises the Jelly Bean for stellar control and performance. Pickleheads confidently call it one of the best control paddles ever made at any price, giving it 4.5 stars for its mix of spin, precision, and forgiveness. Reddit users echo this, saying it suits players of all levels and excels at the kitchen line, though power players may find it less explosive. In essence, the Pegasus Jelly Bean is a top-tier value. It doesn't chase raw power but gives you all the finesse, accuracy, and spin needed to elevate your game, making it a wise pick for control-oriented players. Number 160 Double Black Diamond Control. The 60 Double Black Diamond Control backpack is designed with expert skiers in mind, focusing on functionality, durability, and comfort on the steepest terrains. With a robust 300D Cordura nylon shell, it stands up to abrasion, snow, and rugged environments without sacrificing weight. Features like the vertical ski carry, helmet net, and multiple gear loops are strategically placed for quick access during tight couloirs or boot packs. The pack's padded back panel and S-shaped shoulder straps conform to your body, distributing weight evenly and ensuring stability during technical climbs. Its 28-liter capacity strikes the perfect balance between carrying essentials and staying compact on the mountain. Rounding out its design is excellent attention to detail. The tool-friendly fleece-lined phone pocket and built-in hip flask sleeve for emergency fuel add real-world value on long days in the Alpine. The removable waist belt allows freedom if you're using avalanche gear, and compression straps help secure loads firmly. While its minimalistic styling downplays the pack's serious capabilities, seasoned backcountry travelers will appreciate how it disappears on your back while carrying everything you need. For skiers aiming to stay light, organized, and efficient in challenging conditions, the 60 Double Black Diamond Control is a top-tier companion. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.